Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from OKX Wallet to the Bitget. Now, in order to move from your OKX Web3 wallet to the Bitget exchange, it's quite easy. Open up your OKX wallet. Once it's opened, scroll through and click on the USDT. So click on the USDT token. Once you selected this token, at the top of the screen, we have what we call the network toggle, where you could simply use the scroll feature to simply scroll and select a network you would be making use of. Now, if you select the Optimism network on the OKX Web3 wallet, you're going to need to have the Optimism token, that's the native Optimism token, to be able to cover your gas fees. So please make sure you have this token to cover your gas fees and any transaction fees. All right, so once you've gotten yourself some Optimism, click on the send icon and you'll be taken to the receiving address menu, where you simply enter a wallet address or ENS domain name. Now simply minimize and open up your Bitget application. Once you've opened up Bitget, in order to send the Optimism USDT here, click on the add funds option. And once you've selected this option, simply click on deposit crypto. So add some crypto to your Bitget wallet. Remember, we are looking for the USDT, so use the search or the popular coins option and click on USDT. And under the network toggle, we are to find the Optimism token address. So select the Optimism, copy your wallet address, head back to the OKX Web3 wallet, paste your address there, click on confirm, and then proceed to enter an amount of USDT you'd like to send. So guys, that's how you can easily send your USDT from the OKX Web3 wallet to Bitget. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.